Mark the Meerkat here with a live trade of the day. That's right, one that we're in right now with one of the members of the Grok day trading chat room, Josh. He's in right now. Here was the setup. It was in a descending triangle here. Josh had his order set ready to go. This is not a trade that was in. And then all of a sudden it broke down and bam, he is now in at $11.08. He is short here on UVXY. And so let's pull this up here and let's follow this trade on down. And it was going down, there we go. It's falling, 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 and look at that, it's continuing to fall. So let's open it all the way up here. He's in it. He's moving his stop in place there, and then look at that, it was low basing down here at 1070. And so he brought his stop down here to 1077 was his stop. When he called it out and told us that he was in this trade, we had already finished trading for the day. So here is a picture of him in that trade when he called it out for us right there. This was just a few moments ago. We are again recording this live and so let's bring it up to live time. I've got Josh with me right now, and look at this. It's just continuing to fall. Where's your stop right now there, Josh? 1057 now. Okay, so we had, when it was basing here, we had it at 1077, then we brought it down here to then we brought it to 1071, finally broke down here, and now he's all the way down to 1057. So I just have this stop in place to represent the stop that is on Josh's right now. So again, we're recording this one live. So again, this was a descending triangle. It broke down, and now he's just managing his stop. What is happening in the markets is they are rocketing up after staying at the closing line all day until right now here it's what 12 o'clock noon as we're recording this. Then the markets just took off here starting at about 11:30, and they're currently at their highs of day. And of course then the VIX here, which again it was basing all along, the VIX is dropping, and the UVXY is an ETF on that. So I don't know, we can just sit here forever, and then I can just do a fast fast forward, I guess, there, Josh. Again, this is a live trade, folks, going on right now. So where his stop is and from where his entry was, we can calculate, see, at 1108 minus his stop at 1057. If you were to stop out there, that would be 51 cents per share divided by 1108. He currently has a 4.6% trade here in the money from where his stop is, not from where the price action is. It actually is about 1% more from that 4.6 as we do this. So again, Josh, how's it going here? You just joined the chat room. You just joined the chat room here just a couple weeks ago. And but you're a former mentoring student, and now you want to give a try here at day trading. So as far as the Grok day trading chat room, would you recommend people try it out?
Oh, absolutely. I think the way that you walk through the trades and how to manage the trades is probably what I was missing the most, and most likely what other people would be missing the most as well.
All right, very good. So you're saying that I'm just going to clarify the fact that I'm telling you what I'm looking at and what the setup is and where I would get in, and then
and how you manage the stop. I have a tendency to be too tight on the stops and not let the winners run. So kind of understanding more of that as it's happening in a trade somebody else is in is very helpful for building that confidence.
Right, very good. Yeah, and you know, I just want to point out that not only do I tell you where the stop is, I tell you why I placed it there, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So in this case, he's had it just above his 8 EMA, and again, it was interesting. Before we started recording this, I said, well, if I were Josh, I would put the stop at 1077. Well, right in the chat box here, he had put in here. In fact, I can show you that right in the chat box here. Right here he said 1077 stop. Because that was and I just had placed it on the screen, not seeing what he had posted. So he's learning to put it in the places that I would, to try to have shields between the price action and the stop. as it is right here. We have the 8 EMA here and that 1055, which was a support area here, and now it's coming back up there. He might stop out here or he might not, but it would be too bad if he stopped out for 4.6%. That would be just terrible, right? But then again, with our model portfolio, that would be about $460 here in the last 30 minutes on one trade. That would make your day. He just shared with me that now he gets to go out to lunch at McDonald's rather than having a bologna sandwich at home, right? Okay, well, look at that. It pierced that 8 EMA and is not going down. Again, folks, this is a live trade. We're recording this here now at 12:05 Eastern Time. And so we'll keep going here. Now, Josh, it's early in the morning for him. He's trading out of California. So for folks in California, you can trade with this for a couple of hours and then go to work. Some people do that, and some people do not. But that Josh situation is a little different than that. All right, that 1050 now. It's starting to try to roll down. Well, this is getting to be a long video, but what I'll probably do is to speed it up. So I need to stop talking. We can just watch it for a while. Hey, this is just too bad, isn't it, Josh, when you have to make money like this?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, well, we're going to end the video now, but I want to thank you, Josh, for letting me share this live trade with everybody. And again, if you were to stop out at that 1057 area, it's about 4.6%. But if it rolls back down, he'll be moving his stop down and managing it as well. So again, thank you, Josh. And this is Mark the Meerkat. Trade well, everybody. Here it is just a few minutes later after we stopped recording that, and it popped up just enough right there, right here, to stop him out at 4.6%. Congratulations, Josh, on that trade. And of course, naturally, it popped up enough, and now look at that, starting to fall to new lows of days. Oh well, but Josh was really happy with that 4.6% trade. Hey, just remember that you got to cut your losers short, and like in this case, let your winners run. Trade well, everybody.